guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. Today I've got an update and my final opinion on the Cateared mystery painting that I've been working on. I time-lapsed the entire thing so you can have a look at the whole process from start to finish, and then I'll come back to you at the end and we'll talk about my feelings. See you on the flip side. And so we're finished. Really, I have very little to say about this other than it was an absolute joy to work on. The square drills were wonderful. Everything was as you would expect and at the incredibly reasonable price of £13.68. So I would say if you fancy having a go at a mystery painting, you could do a lot worse than trying out Cateared. I purchased from their Etsy store, but they also have a website, a Facebook page, Instagram, and I'll put all of the links down below. So just before I go, I wanted to take some time to talk about what I'm currently using in my pen. I am sure this is not a new idea for many of you, but perhaps there are some people out there like myself that had never tried this before. I used glue dots in my pen, and in fact not even a whole glue dot, maybe about a third of a glue dot, and that gave me enough stickiness to do the whole of the time-lapsed picture that you've just seen. I was amazed at how well it lasted. So yeah, just a little bit of a tip there for you. I broke a piece off, kind of squished it into a shape that I could then put inside the pen, inside the single placer, and yeah, it was simple as that. I'm still continuing to use regular wax in the multi-placer, but maybe I'll keep up with this little segment and try out several different ideas for what goes in my pen. So that's all I've got for you today. I will have another video out for you next week. There's lots of exciting things going on the channel. So do remember to leave a like and click the subscribe button, hit the bell and become a member of the Crafty Coven. Speak to you all soon.